Here I have SONY Xperia L1 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down, and right here you should find language and input. It's located under system tab. Select languages right here, and if you would like to add some other language, let's choose add a language right here. Here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use. Let's just say, for example, that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Espanol, and as you can see now you have to choose your region. Let me choose the España, and then you have to place the Espanol into the first position, and right now the whole list of settings and also the applications are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find the ajustes, choose idiomas y introducción de texto, tap idiomas one more time, and let's place the English into the first position. That's it. Right now everything is in English, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.